Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and we finally have the Glacier White color of the Redmi Note 9 Pro. We bought it from the Mi Home locally and the 4+64 option here because that's the only option in which you get the Glacier White. This is the Redmi Note 9 Pro with Snapdragon 720G and on the back you can clearly see it's Glacier White. And there are major specifications mentioned on the back of the device to let you know what the phone offers. It's priced at 12,999. It was available for pre-order since a few days and we pre-ordered it yesterday at the Mi Home and got it today. The major specs include the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G and apart from that you have the quad camera combination on the back. There's a dot display, Full HD Plus display with a 6.67 inch screen size. And along with that, there's also a 16MP in-display selfie camera, Gorilla Glass 5 protection on both the front and the back of the phone, a 48+8+5+2 option. So there's a 5MP macro camera this time. And along with that, you have a splash-proof nano coating and a dual VoLTE with the VO Wi-Fi support. And there's a 50-20 mAh battery with an 18-watt fast charge support on this one. There's also the Navic India satellite navigation system. So one of the early phones in the market to have this Navic system. And this phone is said to be made in India with that tag towards the bottom. So that's it on the back of the device, box itself. And this is the standard box packaging that you see. And also the review units that people were given earlier were the same. There's no difference in that. And this only the problem was there was no white given. So we have a white now from the store. First you get the SIM ejector tool, then you have the warranty booklet or also the user manual which has the things written about both the user guide as well as some of the warranty information on the same booklet. Next there is this transparent cover. This transparent cover actually is made of rubber and it's pretty flexible, which has a large cutout towards the center for that camera module, and it's a standard cover that you see on most of the Xiaomi's packages and devices. And now this is the phone. And if you buy the device from the store, which is a common thing that they open the box package and give it to you. So I didn't go to the store. I sent one of my office staff and they brought the box which was already opened out of the seal. And this is how the white color looks like. This is the Glacier White. There's no huge gradient kind of a finish. If you remember, the Realme 6 had that comet finish and this is not that, but still this looks pretty good. This could be probably my favorite of the three options that are available for the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So if you're considering one of the Redmi Note 9 Pros for its looks, I would say white is a pretty good option. And the camera cutout on the back is completely on black, so that's one differentiator there. On the front is the 6.67 inch display with a Full HD Plus resolution, Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and this phone runs Android 10 based MIUI 11, and it's a standard MIUI that you see here. And if you go into the about section, you see this Android 10 and MIUI 11.0.3. And Android 10 is the latest Android version. So Xiaomi has at least made sure that you don't get the MIUI based on the previous Android version. It's the latest one that you are getting here. Apart from that, what you see are the other two things that are left. Firstly is this USB Type-C cable, which is pretty much standard now. You see USB Type-C on the Redmi Note devices, so you have a cable for that. And finally, there's this travel adapter, which is an 18-watt travel adapter which comes with a 9-way 2-way output and also a 12-way 1.5-way output, and that's the standard again. So now this is the phone that you see here with the MIUI 11, and you have a top dot notch, or what do you say, dot display with the 16 megapixel selfie camera. It's a single selfie camera that is given here, and you have a lot of pre-installed applications here which include the Amazon Shopping, Facebook, WPS Office, Daily Hunt, Gaana, Opera Mini. There's a few games. Good thing is you can at least delete them, so you don't have an issue about those apps being shown there always. You can remove them easily. And this is the camera application which has the quad camera setup, and you have the 48 megapixel primary camera, then there's a 8 megapixel wide angle camera, and there's a 5 megapixel macro camera as well. So you have all the pretty much good standard options there. And apart from that, there's a 16 megapixel selfie camera as well. For the macro camera, you have the options inside the section of the different modes. And for the video recording, you have the 1080p at 30 fps, 1080p at 60 fps, and then 4K video at 30 fps. And for the slow-mo videos, you have the 960 fps option. So this was the quick unboxing of the Redmi Note 9 Pro Glacier White variant, which is no different from the other variants in terms of what it offers, but only with the back panel. And the back panel is actually a glass covered by the Gorilla Glass 5 protection. So that's it in this video. Stay tuned for more videos about this smartphone, and we'll do more speed test comparisons, the battery drain tests, and everything on this channel. So hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for those videos. And also subscribe to our gaming channel that's called Gaming Josh for the Hindi gaming videos, in case you're interested to see what the phone offers in terms of gaming. So that's it in this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to Gizmo for more. Thanks for watching and see you next video.